Nigeria go better. Nigeria go good oh. 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 Ìlú tó ń ṣàn fún wàrà, òun ni ìlú mi. Ìlú tó ń ṣàn fún wàrà, òun ni ìlú mi. Ó sweet oh. Ó good oh. Ẹ̀yin tèmi eloko, ẹ̀yin brother mi, ẹ̀yin sister mi, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi àti ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, happy Independence Day. Happy 59th Independence Day of Nigeria. Àwọn nìkan wọ́n máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n sọ yàrá díà pé kí ni ìkan tó ń wú ìdùnnú wa, ìkan tó ń wú wa lórí tá a sọ pé a fẹ́ celebrate Independence Day. Independence Day. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, ẹ̀yin brother mi, ẹ̀yin sister mi, we have to celebrate this Independence Day. Ó wà important fún mi àti ẹ̀yin láti celebrate Independence Day. Òótọ́ ni mo sọ fún yín, torí pé ṣe Independence Day yìí ìdí tá a fi náà ti celebrate ẹ̀ ní pé ṣé ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ yí pé nínú àwọn ìyá wa, nínú àwọn bàbá wa tó yẹ kó wọ́n bí ní àwọn ọdún 1960 or before 1960, nínú wọn wọ́n yìí pọ̀ tọ́yìn wà lórí yẹ̀pẹ̀, tọ́yìn wà lórí yẹ̀pẹ̀. mi sọ pé nínú yẹ̀pẹ̀ o, wọ́n yìí wà tọ́yìn pé wọ́n yìí wà orí ilẹ̀ yẹ̀pẹ̀, tọ́yìn wà láàyè, tọ́yìn wà ní àlàáfíà ara. Tí ọdún Nàìjíríà bá wá ń bá wọn ní ayé, tó ń bá wọn ní ààyè, why can't we join hands together? Why can't we get ourselves together to celebrate this independence with them? And if you are a good citizen of the country, if you are a good citizen of Nigeria, like me, you have to celebrate the independence, the 59th independence of Nigeria. I'm telling you, ó wà important. Mo ti rí táwọn oríṣiríṣi àwọn ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ náà tó ń kọ́mẹ́ntì ní ìbàyí ẹ̀rí kẹtẹ́lẹ̀ ìsọ nísìn. Ó ní some said that this is the last independence of Nigeria. You are lying. You people are lying. It won't be the last independence by God's grace. It won't be the last independence of Nigeria by God's grace. A máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún ní Nigeria lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba Èdùmàrè. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ independence la máa ṣe Nigeria. 2019 today we have did 59 years independent. Is that not? By God's grace, next year 2020 we will celebrate 60 years independence by God's grace. A máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ anniversary of this independence by God's grace ní Nigeria bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, my followers Nigerians, my fans all over the world, kò ní báyẹ̀ fún yín. A ti ṣọdún ọdún yìí, a ti tó máa péjọ ṣe ọdún tó ń bọ̀ ní lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba Èdùmàrè. A ti máa ṣe 2020 ní lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba Èdùmàrè. A ti máa ṣe 2021 ní, a ti máa ṣe títí ní lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba Èdùmàrè. Ọlọ́run ọba Èdùmàrè a ní fi ọdún eléyìí, a ní fi dágbéra fúnra wa nínú sàárè. Tó bá di ọdún 2020, nínú owó, nínú àlàáfíà, nínú àìkú, baálé ọ̀rọ̀ ló máa bá ọdún yìí, máa bá èmi, ló máa bá gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi pátá, gbẹ̀yìn fans mi pátá ló máa bá yín. We have to celebrate this anniversary we have to celebrate this independence, this 59 independence of Nigeria. We have to celebrate it. We are citizens of Nigeria. I'm not from Ghana. I'm not a Ghana man. I'm not a Gabon man. I'm not a South African man. I'm a Nigerian man who so much love his country. I love my country. We have to celebrate this anniversary, my people. We have to celebrate this anniversary. Maybe some people, even though they are blame Yoruba people, some people say, but the Yoruba people made all this to happen. They have voted this man called Buhari again for second time. So why they are complaining? Who is complaining? Everybody is complaining. All the masses are complaining. Everybody are complaining about this our government. And this is my message to this our federal government. Hello, our federal government. Hello, my president. President Muhammad Buhari, whatever. Happy Independence Day to you, to all Nigerians. This is 59 years independence. How far, Mr. President? How far all our leaders in Nigeria? Even it was before, that's how far it was before that we are using that slang, that's how far. These days, nowadays, is our market. Oh yeah, it's our market. That is the new slangs that people using nowadays. Our market. Our federal government, our market today. 59 years independence of the country, of our country. Our market. Our market, Mr. President. All our leaders, our markets. 59 years. We are not talking about 59 days. We are not talking about 59 months. We are talking about 59 years independence of Nigeria. Our markets. For good 59 years, we don't have lights, electricity in our country. Within 59 years, we don't have water in our country. Within 59 years, masses are suffering here and there. Within 59 years, we cannot stay comfortable in our country. Within 59 years in our independence, we are still complaining about you people. The way you people are operate the country. Common electricity, common lights. You people cannot solve a single problem. Just a single problem. You people cannot solve it for good 59 years. Yourself, can't you imagine that? Our government. Can't you imagine that? For good 59 years. We cannot solve common problem of the country. Even though ordinary lights. Okay o, tí government kan kó tẹ̀ bọ́ síbẹ̀ lẹ́ni yìí, kó tẹ̀ sọ pé okay o, I just want to focus on electricity problem. I just want to focus on light problem. And kó dẹ̀ ṣe within a year or more than a year, kó dẹ̀ rí pé our light is steady in our country. Likewise, Benin Republic, they have steady lights. Likewise, Ghana, they have steady lights. why we Nigerians, and we call ourselves giant of Africa. We call ourselves giant of Africa. Look at our country. Our country is not move forward. It's not move forward. Let me tell you the truth. I'm talking to our federal government. Look at our country today. But as a good citizen, fídíò yìí kì í ṣe fídíò yìí láti àná. It's because of I was Nigeria embassy. I went there to go and celebrate this independence with our Nigerian embassy for this country. Ìyẹn ló fà tí mi ti fi ṣe fídíò yìí láti àná tó fi ń bọ́ sí òru tí mo fi ń ṣe yìí, because I have to do this. I have to make this. I have to try as much as possible to make this video. Our federal government, ó bad gan. Look at somebody like me. I'm not in country. I'm not in Nigeria. I'm outside the country. It's because of what? Because our country is not good. Because masses are suffering. Masses are suffering. That is why there is protest here. There is protest here. Showore jáde. Tí Showore bá fi sọ pé revolution now. It's because of masses are suffering. Ó ti wo condition country wa, ó ti pé it's not work. This system is not work. That is why Masina Kanu, one of him protest. I'm not against Biafra people. I'm not against them at all. Because tí country wa bá dá, Masina Kanu kò ní form group tó form ibẹ̀ yẹn as a APO member. Showore, ó ṣeéṣe kí Showore má jáde. Ọmọ Yẹlé Showore, ó ṣeéṣe kó má jáde láti wá against ẹ̀yin people yìí pé no, we need revolution now. Because masses are suffering. Masses are suffering. Masses are suffering. And shame on our leaders. Southwest leaders. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. Southwest leaders. Shame on you people. You people have forgot. If you people forget, we cannot forget where we are come from, where we are today, and we will know where we are going. May you people, our government, you people don't know where we are going. Even though you people are not understand where we are today, how can you people understand where we are going? Look at yẹn ló fà tí pẹ́ẹ́n fi wà yẹ́rà díẹ̀. Ẹ gbìyànjú, may God be with you people. Ẹ gbìyànjú láti satisfy àwọn masses. Ẹ gbìyànjú láti satisfy wọn. Kì í ṣe pé ká máa ṣe independence every year nínú sufferness. Kò dá ká máa ṣe independence every year nínú àríjẹ àrímu àríná àrílò. Look at our economy. Look at our economy today. Look at our economy today. Our economy is so bad today. Ó bad gan ni. Don't mean blame àwọn èèyàn tó pé most of my friends, ìgbà tí mo tẹ́lẹ̀ ní mo fẹ́ lọ celebrate independence yìí, most of my friends wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mi ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bú mi. Mr. Nigeria náà pè mí, ọmọ Buhari náà pè mí, kíní kan náà pè mí. I'm not concerned. Mo lọ sí ibi tí a fẹ́ celebrate independence day ni. I went there. Mẹ̀tí àwọn ẹni tó ń bú mi yẹn, àwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀ sí mi, tó máa fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ sí mi, tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí mi, they have rights. They have rights to talk to me, to blame me, to abuse me, to curse me, because masses are suffering in that country. But I told them that I have message to pass to our federal government. Fídíò tí mo ṣe yìí, ó yẹ kí n ṣe nínú embassy wa mo ti fẹ́ ṣe. I want to make it in our embassy, in Nigeria embassy, in this country. But the problem is that there was many people there. There was many crowd here. There was crowd there. I cannot make this video there because of crowd, because of noise. That is why when I get to my house, when I get to my home, I will make this video. Undermost, our federal government, may God be with you people. May God bless Nigeria. Happy Independence Day again. Try to do something for masses. Satisfy masses. And I beg you, our federal government, I beg you, I plead on behalf Mr. Omoyele Sowore. Please and please, free Sowore. Free Sowore. Please and please, whatever anything that Sowore did wrong or did wrong, whatever anything that he did wrong to you or to the country or to the nation, please and please, I plead on behalf of Mr. Sowore, Omoyele Sowore, please and please, forgive him. I should pardon him. Please and please, try to release Sowore. Try to release Sowore. Thank you very much. May God be with Nigeria. May God bless Nigerians. Yeah. For our youth, ẹ̀yin youth ni ọ̀rọ̀ kan nísìn tí mo bá sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ̀yin youth wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe sùúrù. Ṣé rí ẹ̀kọ́ gbígbóná tẹ́wọ̀n bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó fẹ́ràn sùúrù. Ẹ̀kọ́ gbígbóná ó fẹ́ràn sùúrù. Tá bá sọ pé bí kan ṣe gbóná àti fẹ́ fi jẹ́ abóyán lẹ́nu. Ẹ wá rí ewúrẹ́ tó wọlé yàlágbo. Ọwọ́ ti dọ̀rọ̀ sùúrù ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, ẹ̀yin sister mi, ẹ̀yin brothers mi. Ewúrẹ́ tó wọlé yàlágbo, ọwọ́ ti dọ̀rọ̀ sùúrù. Nígbà mi máa wà tó yẹ pé kan tó gba sùúrù, tá bá fi agídí sí ní lójútu ẹ̀. Ìgbà mi tó wà ní nǹkan tó gba agídí, tá bá fi sùúrù sí kò ní lójútu. Ó dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ màmá mi ni, ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá mi, ó dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ òwe ìyá mi, ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá mi ni. Ó máa sọ wípé ìgbà mi máa wà tó yẹ pé ibi tí ẹ ká ti lo sùúrù, tá bá lo sùúrù níbẹ̀ ní lójútu kan tá fẹ́ ṣe. Nítorí ẹ ká ti lo agídí, tá bá lo agídí níbẹ̀, tá bá lo sùúrù níbẹ̀ ní lójútu kan tí a nílò. Dán ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe sùúrù. Lọ́wọ́ tó wà lẹ́rìí lórí kan tó ń lọ ní Nàìjíríà, it is true. Masses are suffering. Everybody are suffering. Include me. Everybody are suffering. Mais fógun ní Nàìjíríà. Tẹ́bá ní ká mú bí àwọn nìkan ṣe ń mú yìí. Tẹ́bá ní ká mú bí àwọn nìkan ṣe ń mú yìí. Ẹ má bínú. Kí n mú àìsàpọ̀ àwọn Biafra yẹn. Tí leader wọn jẹ́ Mercy Nnamdi Kanu. Tẹ́bá ní ká mú bí àwọn ṣe ń mú yẹn. Things will spoil. Things will spoil. Totally spoil. Ìkà bàjẹ́. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ní, ó dàbí òwò ìyá mi náà ni, ó ní ìròmí òjò lásán, oníròmí ń bẹ nísàlẹ̀ odò. Tẹ́ bá rí gúlégúlé àwọn Biafra tó ń ṣe gúlégúlé yẹn, ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn ènìyàn wà lẹ́yìn wọn tó ń tì wọ́n. Àwọn ènìyàn wà lẹ́yìn wọn tó ń tì wọ́n sí Federal Government of Nigeria. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ sọ pé ká máa fojú kékeré wo ọ̀rọ̀ náà, pé bá kò ní dìkan tó bá lọ dìkan bá dọ̀là ńkọ́. ṣẹ́yìn ti gbàgbé ni ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ṣẹ́ ti gbàgbé ni pé àwọn ẹnìkan ló wá lẹ́yìn àwọn ọmọ Libya ìlú tó rójú tó ráyè, ìlú tó rọrùn tí ìdẹ̀ra wà ń bẹ̀ tó dàbí àlùjọ náà ni. Fún ẹni tó bá yẹ kó mọ Libya, I was there before ní Tripoli, I was there before. I made almost 1 year plus at Libya there. Very beautiful country, just like a paradise. Everything was well organized there. But look at Libya today. Àwọn tó wà ní ìsàlẹ̀ odò, ìròmí tó wà ní ìsàlẹ̀ odò yẹn tó ń ti àwọn ọmọ Biafra lẹ́yìn, bó ṣe ti àwọn ọmọ Libya lẹ́yìn nígbà yẹn nìyẹn, tó ń tì wọ́n against federal government wọn. Man, all of us look at Libya today. Ẹ wò bí Libya ṣe wà gbà. Ìkan táwọn ò fẹ́ fún Nàìjíríà nìyẹn. Tó lè mo ṣe sọ wípé ìkan tó ń gbóná ó nílò sùúrù. Ẹni ẹ wò Ṣówèrè, ó yìí wà ní custody àwọn ará bí ìbàyìn, wọn tí ì fi Ṣówèrè sílẹ̀. Ẹ wò kọ́tẹ́ tí ń comment against our federal government. Ẹ wò bí ẹ ṣe ń bú àwọn federal government, ẹ wò bí ẹ ṣe ń bú àwọn DSS. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé Ṣówèrè kẹ̀dẹ̀ ni ó yìí wà ní custody wọn. You people did not love Ṣówèrè o. Ẹ fẹ́ràn Ṣówèrè tó ẹ kúrò tó àti òdo. You people are fans and supporter of Ṣówèrè. You have to plead and beg the federal government on behalf of Ṣówèrè not to abuse, not to cause the federal government tell them pé Ṣówèrè wà ní custody wọn. Kódà, it's not making sense. Ẹ̀yin ká fúnra wa ní ọpọlọ, ẹ̀yin ká yára wa lọ́pọlọ. Ẹ̀yin ká fúnra wa lọ́pọlọ, ẹ̀yin ká yára wa lọ́pọlọ. Last video mi tí mo ṣe, mo sọ báyìí sínú last video mi tí mo ṣe, ẹ lọ wò. Ṣówèrè ó yìí wà ní custody àwọn ará bíbá yìí. If you have to protest nínú court, it's not proper. Nobody can fight federal government to win federal government. No one. I never seen it before. Bóyá máa di ọ̀la, bóyá wá lè ṣe Nàìjíríà o. Mo mọ̀ tó dá mi lójú pé nobody can fight a federal government, most especially elect federal government, not appointed federal government. Oh, I'm talking about elected federal government. Nobody can fight them, shall we? Nobody. Ẹ ká gbàgbé ó ṣe ká sọ́tọ̀ fúnra wa. Oró àwọn àtàwọn sọ̀tà náà fi ogun Nàìjíríà, ọ̀nà òtíkárí ogun Nàìjíríà. Àní rí ogun, àní rí nǹkan tó máa ga jù ẹ̀mí wa lọ. Àwọn àtàwọn sọ̀tà àfi ogun Nàìjíríà pé kí a ṣe sùúrù, pé ká ṣe dẹ́dẹ̀ mìíràn o. Because of we have something in that country. We have our parents there. Our mother is there, our father is there, our sister is there, our brother is there, our children is there. We have many properties there. Wọ́n ní àgbàrá òjò tẹ́wọ́n bẹ́yẹn, òun sọ pé òun fẹ́ wọlé o. Àmọ́ onílé, òun kò ní ṣe kíni, òun kò ní gbà fún un. Àtọrọ ogun, àtọrọ òjọ̀ngbọ̀n. We don't want any violence in Nigeria. We don't want. Please and please. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá mi náà tó wá ní. Ìyá mi ló máa sọ wípé èpè tá bá ṣe ní àárọ̀ tí ó bá já ní àárọ̀ ó ṣe é ṣe kó jà tó bá di ọyìn. Ajá ó ní kìí ṣe pé tó ṣe é ṣe ajá tó bá di ọjọ́ alẹ́. Èpè tá bá ṣe ní àárọ̀ tó bá já ní àárọ̀ á jà tó bá di alẹ́. Èpè tá a máa ń gbé Nàìjíríà ṣe ó ti pọ̀ jù, ó ti pọ̀ jù, ó ti pọ̀ jù. Èpè tá a máa ń gbé Nàìjíríà ṣe ó ti pọ̀ jù. A máa gbé ìlú wa, a máa gbé ṣépè Nàìjíríà sùn ní oríṣiríṣi orúkọ lẹ́tìbẹ̀sẹ̀ fún country yẹn. You cannot proud of your country outside the country. Ṣèbí kan wọ́n ní kan tí èèyàn bá ní ni máa ń gbé lárugẹ. Ṣe gbé kan lárugẹ náà. Même quand tu dis there is something wrong in that country, there is something wrong in that country. Mais ẹ ká fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ sínú ká tutọ́ fún síta. It doesn't mean that we are stupid. It doesn't mean that we are coward. It doesn't mean that we don't know how to take action. Even if we want to take any action, ó ní bí a ṣe take action gbà. Gbogbo nǹkan tí àwọn airport tí wọ́n ṣe ní diaspora yẹn, I'm not against. Ìkan tí ó yẹ kí a ti ṣe ẹ̀tẹ̀ nìyẹn. We have governor every each state in our country. We have governors. We have House of Reps. We have senator. We have councillor. We have chairman of local government. If anything is wrong ní state here or your local government, I want to come and attack in here. Because federal government ó ní òye tó bá ń tó pé ó bá ń pín sí state ní gbogbo ìgbà, whether every month ó ní òye tó bá ń pín sí each state. Báwo ló lè ṣòwò ti tèmi state ti tèmi ní Nàìjíríà bẹ́ẹ̀? Báwo ni governor wa ṣe owó state ti tèmi? Báwo ni governor tiwọ tó ń wò mí yìí báwo ṣe owó state ti tiẹ̀? Why can't we attack those our governors? Why we cannot attack those our governors, those our senators, those our House of Reps, our councillor, our chairmen of local governments? Àwọn tó yẹ ká máa attack nìyẹn. Mais àwa máa fi ẹ̀tẹ̀ sílẹ̀, a máa palẹ̀ pàlápà, which is very bad. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi làákàyè sí kan tó lọ yìí o. Kó wá má di yìí pé ẹni tá ní kó ṣe tó lóun lè ṣe tó jẹ́ kó tó wá ṣe tó láyé mo yẹ gbà. Àti èmi tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ àti ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi, ọ̀nà ọ̀bẹ Elédùmarè kò ní fi ìlú wa, kò ní fi bú wa. Ìlú wa tó kún jẹ káàtó nísìn ó ń bọ̀ wá tó ṣẹ́kùn tó bá dọ́là pẹ̀lú àdúrà tó bá ń ṣe fún ìlú wa ni. Try to be a good citizen. Ìjọba ò dáa, kíní kò dáa, ìlú ò dáa. Ipa wo ni èmi àti ìwọ tó ń wò mí yìí, ipa wo ni a ti kó nínú pé kó lè dá fún Nàìjíríà? Kí ni ìgbìyànjú èmi àti ìwọ pé kó lè dá fún Nàìjíríà tá ń gbìyànjú? Ṣé nínú pé kó lè dá náà ni pé ká máa bú president wa, ká máa bú àwọn tó jẹ́ olórí ìlú wa? A lè sọ sí wọn, mẹ́ kì í ṣe pé ká máa bú wọn níbu. Ó yẹ kí ẹ understand kan tí mo sọ, tí mo ń try àti sọ. Message ìyẹn fáwọn our youth nìyẹn. Ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. May God bless everybody. May God be with us. Ọdún yìí tá a ṣe é nìyí, depend àṣẹ yìí tá a ṣe é nìyí, àṣe túṣe. Ṣé ọdọọdún báyìí ṣé òun náà máa rí orógbó? Ṣé ọdọọdún ṣé òun náà máa rí ọmọ òbí lórí àtẹ? Tó bá di ọdún èyí tó tún ń bọ̀, wọn ò ní fi mí ṣàwátì o, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ò ní fẹ̀yìn náà ṣàwátì. Lágbára ọmọ Elédùmarè. that one make me remember our lovely brother Adeyinka grandson tí mo tún máa tẹnu mọ́ náà ni that one remember me about our brothers Adeyinka grandson mo ń tẹnu mọ́ fún yín nípa Adeyinka grandson. Adeyinka grandson is one of our best. He's one of Yoruba best talented that we ask. Ẹ má yí ká gbàgbé nípa Adeyinka grandson. I personally don't know much about Adeyinka grandson. Mais mo jẹ́ nìkan nínú àwọn members YYF. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin YYF members tẹ́ ń wò mí. Mo sọ sínú the last video mi pé how far about Adeyinka grandson. We have to do something about Adeyinka grandson. We have to know what is going on about him. We have to know what is going on about him. Adeyinka grandson ó ti ṣe bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún wa, ó ti fi hàn wa, ó ti lé good example fún wa wípé tẹ́bá ti ń rí òun ká fọkàn balẹ̀ ní pé òun lè ṣe kí ni òun lè mú wa dé ilẹ̀ ìlérí. Kí ni kẹta ń pè ní ilẹ̀ ìlérí yẹn pé ó lè mú wa bọ́ sí ìṣẹ̀dá new Nigeria, or we should go back to regional government system. Ó ti fi hàn wá pé òun lè ṣe kí ni òun lè mú wa débi tí a nílò, ibi tá a fẹ́ lọ, ilẹ̀ òmìnira, ilẹ̀ ìlérí. Ó dẹ̀ ti fi hàn wá wípé it can take us to that extent. Which extent? It can take us to new Nigerias, new eras. It can take us to regional governments. Or else kápá sí kí olúwa kópa sí ìlú àbáyé káwọn máa jẹ́ Oòduà wa káwọn tó fẹ́ ẹ̀jíká rántí Adeyinka grandson. Ó wà important gan. May God bless us. May God be with Nigeria. May God bless Nigeria. Thank you very much.